Ke campaign ya chaka. I can tell you I know five chindege sano chibangire.
Isano. Matiangi, wawera at the forefront kwa tabe vijana virigie ebirogo. Around the turu bisi, ani turu chipara, bon to search bisi. Boniga, or check you are among the youth. Watch for the top 6 banyami.
Yeah.
What am we na kumaita?
Matiangi na manyete. Asingencho. We no wata vijana. Utafanya for your space. My friend, youth sintuwati access na say. Lakini ntuwati advantage yamu. The kind of person ntuwati right now. Matiangi. In fact, Matiangi anjite vijana. People don't know. That man kararo ri kijana. Yani na bokora even nenu busibu ya change. Ako sa soka.
Na ina aguru anara. Vijana viko kwana. Mama kanyoro kore maisaiga. Agokire.
Asinge njuma taru mungaini. Abandi bate bangaini. Eba utausiekere vijana. Chiproka cheta usiekere vijana. Lakini Matiangi gente kama mwancherete. Focus yaye igere naki nikiara kore atware etimu nyingi vijana hivi as etimu yaye. Iga ko fight in fact iga anyore ko kuminu ko chando. Iga ararwane segimbe.
I get that's true.
Bono asinge nchara ari nche baito maybe na chakonyara chance yo chakotena kutwara confidence yo tena ki nende njubiri ngobole chikura kuru ayora ngati ngo chakutwara nge jubiri esa senyonga de metu mga konare gari
fairness ne
nende fairness ne ero ne nata gete bichana bono karando chega ne twaro mene twara gampire iga igwete biyata na bichana binte te kora seti asetim kwar bono asinge nchachi de bichana taswana njana tenengo estimu yae ko kuya jubiri ngeru one special because he anante field ya fair
igo so far Matiangi recognizes you and you feel safe for kolega syangene nse yae
in fact umuntu motivated nje by the way nende ya will say think ko kwana kwa Matiangi second yo think abantu bari bakwana kumonye kumubwata bwata ndi bawo cha bamuru one ground kega banye kumubwata bwata kurumaya banye ngayago toka bamenye kocho
imagine mpaka bajumbe bakuru nene Nairobi baika kusia Matenga okora edewera na dera
sai mbayogira sai ndubate shida ya registration muntu taye muchumbe taye gutuma resources chiaye wose ateme kubeka bichane anze kote ya ndiki gakenda mu register bamuganyita ki ndiyo cyo ikanyambira
now ngwate banga no Jubilee na kiuchukuranire ticket ya Jubilee obuli bugavana Nyasana bago konya oire bajaji siasa it's either you lose or you get happening atonyo ticket ya Jubilee should you expect yo ngomkono oliko chukwa
fair
free and fair
free
and fair
Matiangi out scientific
okay
give scientific
scientific and
verifiable so there's no other bintu bikore behind it togenda ikura toake abantu achore ere fair the whole world ero chana ki this thing was fair umuntu agwini ticket ya Jubilee in fact ago chikondi nche ngomu campaign edi erinde to kore
ekiro gecheka
lakini rende losing is not an option because the kind of support na nyorire youth njana kumenya na bagechiriga na matento gechiri ese bakire tumara youth banyamira mbayo kwana kumbe pressure is inside konye bakanyete na gigijana ngaige kuru the kind of support na nyorin jimbe baka it's overwhelming baka na very confused baka I told my team now they have to rethink planning and everything because it was better overwhelmed how do we manage this so we are restructuring our planning and everything because it's too much so that's why it's said in size ekere mutu there's nothing like a lose one because of that we are in Jubilee, we are supporting Matiangi, and we are going to bring sanity in Nyamira through the new leadership.
New leadership.
Yeah.
Bono rene kuwande na America menyete. Yana America konyore wachire kuvuchukura busia.
Yeah.
Na ki America wata. Igori ya Matiangi. Ekira kitse tomo. Metama America ni Matianga chiro toroja mangana biali. Tatavi na kibawata.
Kira Matiangi I think mwaro chikira Matiangi achitari montore nko yomo created protection security to make sure mugambito yani orore kadire nsingima to ka rosary preparation yanenge for the first time ndo mama yetinje nguru Minnesota. Minnesota nabogocha bantu mba yani they don't care. Nabogocha by the way utuma bantu mba gocha mukutano. Like for the first time so kumanye spirit ya Matiang'i is all over. Matiang'i atwarte a meeting hall. Muntu nyo meeting hall in Minnesota by the way. Uche kwa ndase kete mwaga ambaiga bantu bekwa nachana. Lakini for the first time in history Minnesota hall ye churete.
Yuko.
Ekaba packed yani baka ngakuminjo manyana yako nyegari kuiga. Kwarare. Spirit ya Matiang'i. Muntu is God just God chose him to be the president of Kenya. Iga achete agatetemesha Minnesota. None state chance achete. But Minnesota was too much. Wana abantu munasayi bate tetevi abantu bate ngimoki timetinga ngo kumugeri chikwende cha Jubilee. Ibi t-shirt chi coffee in the box yani chirena data bintu bya Jubilee. Wona Jubilee is going to be the most supported party in Kenya. Asenjang Matiang'i. Sisi Matiang'i was declared as a presidential candidate ya Jubilee. In the box wana people expect me kuimuke bintu ni chubuni.
Kabisa.
Ngende bitore gari.
Beka.
Asengenjo they are ready to use their resources. They are ready to do everything. Matando babate say some in their villages, in their communities is bakuru.
Americans are very influential
because they are supporting people, you know. So if that spirit ya Matiang'i is touching everywhere.
Yeah. Yuko mwibangire njirene ko support.
Matiang'i
tuwetenga ngora mulende. Tatevye
negina watanaki mambo bado abantu ari kwanza le moto jana usina ngaki nkonye abantu bakuburi ngaito kubeka abantu basiri kune
ngaiti kubekwa.
In fact most of us like youth see egento ba decided umuntu abekete na 10% ye pay check yana
Matiang'i
abekete saving kuna Matiang'i saving tike mati anga ngwa kumunuska je campaign ya chaka. I can tell you I know 5 chindege sano chibangire
isano
baganye tata nekibono officially campaign yakore
yangeyo
nje chimanye isa isano kwarore
papa
chinde chimanye njiri manyete nigonjira ndakoreke ntamanyete. So Matiang'i campaign yae it's going to be a shock. Na muntu depenzi or support UDA or support Ruto kunyata Ruto might escape about doing this. They will be in for a shock.
In for a road shock.
They are going to be in for a road shock, and it's going to be by the way it will be a campaign that people have never seen. Yeah, one of my top Matiang'i is people want to support him. He's not the one who is asking for support.
Ni tuko ba
abantu bombo
abolete beto ko muchora to muliko to agregura
nenda abantu ba ready to spend their resources
kabisa.
Not the way around na igabono yo nero nyasoki. The difference between the two, the president and the Matiang'i, one on the way to Kandasi Ruto Gia expect money.
That is it.
amatena ati answer bontu pa mwanjeti lechi basaba lakini matiangi abantu bari ready go to make the resources me being one of them. Yeah,
that's great.
Yeah,
now my brother Maite, Nimetera, you have a lot of engagement. As we come to the end of the show, please talk to abananchi ba Nyamira over your words chomwelde from this show.
Abantu bonse ba Nyamira nchibuna mwegune kijana ke kana atende ko tema ko koreto bugambi bya se county yeto asinge nchubu bugambi bwa Nyamira bwabere obusokwa sabantu bonse pipa ko Nyamira muna mwegwe sababu na atende no sengencho Nyamira ya retro busoku ne to koreta evijana as a leadership ejento nya koreta magendera bona magendera de tangible injetiru cho sababu mochari njengu cho chaka prevent problems before the death occurs. Employee enough trained staffs kwana na mario atokenya gitari saine na cross chipara kuruga abu abana baitu baisidi bakonye ntunya utwara quality education in the future.
That's
to be competitive lakini gendo ke abantu Nyamira na batabi above all to emete kutwara president ya Kenya. There is no way omo president of Kenya ukurukumatianga ragambe konye ntubwatie voting na koreta analysis rimo that time karangora ka analysis umanya it was about only 300 new registered voters by that time. 300 nkiye kogera asengenjo ntora inyori bantu na ki kura tedi munu ekura no ko register erinde 2027 tusuke mugambe to Fred Okengo Matiang'i agambe so Monday ngo etande Nyamira
nkokora voter mobilization iywere mambi eri to yando ito babwate chikura kubwata chikura chimung'akire nchom ya Abednego Maina nkonye county ito inchibwe kamuko nyako ngakira nkonye county ito konye murambikire role model yani ko Fred Okengo Matiang'i
abwa no to chaje.
Asante.
I'm happy and I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Times, whenever you need us, we are available.
Mukwa Times, I've been watching you. You are doing a marvelous job.
Thank
you. And the show for our community. Bonto de bensi orari gaki. If jana bune karabi ajire egasi they are doing it for us. They are doing it a community. Amangana yango batebi na kito bwate manga stadium metara sunyamira na oje myake yonsipi manga stadium metara sunyamira.
Jana 30 million ya fence.
Yani ndunto bwate no sports yani muntu nyamira tameto wa perto rosi timu ete manyikata na Shabana. Aya. Amario ga purta nyaktari. Chi there are so many blood bankere nyamaya. Igere stalled. Nto bwate tifet nini polytechnics jire stalled. Even the big kuba ikera to batevi konya ndugo kurike tugo support muntu abichana mne biko Mukwa Times.
Tuba push tuba information.
Kibijana kera boto korega asi tuba support abana bomba bichana muju mna mono nyamira kuru. Namwe timichana to wetera. Wondo to chamo to asu chenchi state to korengera binaba gusiba nyamira. Mbiyamona sana.
Thank you sana for support. Mbiyamona sana. Manyalo kumabone governor kijana. The first Bantero aspirant ngo interview ga Mukwa Times. Like Mwamara, as a comment section, please let me know what you think. Abavanga ni ukamba nere ngakire simi balink.
All right.
Wasevon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Asante.
All the best.